So let's go on Amazon, because I'm kind of bored. Oh my gosh! This is amazing! This is absolutely perfect. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get it!
3 days later.
Oh wait! It's time to go get the slime! Woo! Here comes the... Hold on, why is it in a bag? You know what? Just because this is in a Ziploc bag doesn't mean it's bad. Anyways, let's just try it out. So, here's the slime. Now let's open it.
Okay. Delicious. Best meal I've had in years. Really? Anyone who can cook a dinner like that is okay.
Why is it so rippy?
Vermont traditions alive.
Yeah, bro. This is terrible. It lied. What a scam. I wasted
Someone said to me.
like almost $5 on that.